called Dark Mirror White Noise, and it brings together some collaborators of sound, art, music, all people that I've been working with over the last 2 or 3 years.
I think it's time to move on.
Esther Maria from Denmark is a vocalist. I met her at a festival and we started doing this project where we're exploring white noise and construction sites. One of the things we exchanged was some of the sort of ambient noise you can hear now in the construction site in the background, and when we started doing vocals and very experimental things over the back of that.
That we can all still wish upon a star.
This came along because John was developing his ideas as an artist and as an audio performer, and so it was built out of that basically. And then it became this dark mirror white noise in the process that we were also having together, exchanging ideas.
We're going to be interpreting that dark mirror as mirror of reflection, the buildings that you can see behind us, and in this kind of Camelot of commerce in Perth CBD, and then the sort of ambient noise that you can even hear now, whether it's a plane or a person talking, and sort of expanding that and giving it form and shaping it and making it very, very acute sonically.